What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. Our people, we're gonna run through the you know how we do. I go talk through the intro. We just go jump right tonight. So make we get tonight, my people.
Stronger. Wanna talk a lot of things and expect the people for crawl under the mat, for wanna laugh and smile. But how wanna feel in yourself as human being? I don't know if you're a human being when day now una cannibal or wanna be when night come. But as human being, I can't believe una really in yourself tear down people. And each time una try, the people them get more, them get so progressive, them be so much purpose. And the people them we have purpose, and that is what we see about una panda up here. People them we mean good, and people them we have purpose. Una beat down them people there. The people them we quick for help. These are the people them una fight against. These are the people them wanna fight against. These are the people them wanna build a platform for. The people them were quick for run for help somebody. Why can't strengthen them people that were quick for help? But wanna feel pleasure for bully down people. Wanna feel pleasure for bully down people. But let me tell you something, you know. It's for the hard way, dog. It's for the hard way, love. For the hard way. And me are the soldier, we are stand up in the Gideon because me I tell them this. Sometimes when I feel like when I hear people say they are going to change, you don't need to understand this. Everybody who know me, when me party 7 days a week, when me there Jamaica and do what me have to do. And if me say me I go change my life, it's about time. Me a 50-year-old. Everybody make their mistake, everybody do what they have to do. But me try to draw close. But sometimes when I feel like when people are draw close to God, them weak. I don't understand say when you say rebel people them are draw close to God. I know weak, them weak. Them double time strong. You don't understand. Remember say them strong when them a fighter, when them in a sin. So just imagine when them gone in a God. And that is what I try to break. Mentally, physically. But we not easy for break. We not easy for break, especially when we are praying mothers. We not easy for break. We can't fight so till you fight. We run out a fight. We could have chat so till your tongue drop out on your head. Thank you so much. There's nothing you can do for conquer me and my family them. You might bruise them, you might batter them, but when purpose is here, there's nothing you can do. Tan big up yourself. You cannot do nothing to separate. Nothing at all. You don't have to believe in yourself as people, because them are people who go come for bring on the down with them mouth every day. Thank you so much. These people come to bring you down every day. They try in every way. Thank you so much. Them try. But you have to understand, so no matter how you see people say them go in a church and serve back God, don't be stupid. Don't be stupid. How we God use for be the strength for our children them, our family them. Betty, alright, Sometimes I sorry for no thank you for coming on my platform, Betty. Sometimes I wonder when me look at moderator them there. Sometimes when I wonder when the little moderator them there. But me thank you for coming on my platform anyway. Cause you see someone who need some little knowledge, you know, dons. And your little face where you show you so ugly. I don't know why you not gonna be. Thank you, Keisha. No water no there with spatch there for she go be. Cause I don't know why she come from here so I come nasty up my platform in the night after me there talk something sensible. Go be there, man. Ashley, big up yourself. Yeah, people, me just remind you, remember say Sunday, 7 o'clock Jamaica time, 8 o'clock Barbados time. I don't know say I the one big bad Tamara from Bakaskan, and I know one Annie Preps, one Aki Mami Pande up on the nose, big old shootout and thing, you know, be a little trick them and give me from Bakaskan. So no know say me have to, you know say me have to come over there. Yes, chosen at this them 8. Cause them can't believe me at 50 fabulous and beautiful. Cause I'm covered under the blood of Jesus. People are so when no covered under the blood of Jesus are so no pretty. Marie, big up yourself. Yo, from Bakaskana, Marie, big up yourself. You're the next one too. Yes, right, that's all. You, Miss Marie Smith, you and the one, Lisa. We say, me have to behave myself. If me want win one match, but you no go on, you no stay there swear off of me. And I know say me entourage them dead with them bullet, with them gonna clean, polish up and shine. Yes, Miss Marie, yes, you Miss Marie and Miss Lisa. But you no understand, say me shoot at them, I polish them gun. And I wait for Sunday.
Alright, my people, I want to tell me what you think in the comment section. But one thing more to say, right? Akeem need to talk to his mother. You see me I say and tell her say just like how him ignore most of the people them will talk, she fi just ignore them totally, because at the end of the day nobody no want to see nobody disrespect them mother online. You see me? How we know how them people you can get. You see it? So he better she just leave Akeem and make the dog fight him own battles. You see me? Than fi say something every time something happen. You see me? Because me sure say them in at the screen record them a disrespect her. And maybe even upon her live. You see me I say? So make watch some more my people and then move on to the next.
I know it go already. Jen, I don't know that one they going on. I know that one they go. I say last night I couldn't come live. Chat, I couldn't come live. Me say Bakaskana nice. Lydia, Jesus have mercy. Somebody don't need to buy one something for Lydia Moat. Don't need to buy one something for Lydia Moat. Lydia not have no Lydia Moat not on a baby, and she the teacher, the first teacher, the first unruly teacher me ever see. The first unruly teacher me ever see. Eh? No filter, Keisha, no filter, she not have none tall. They think my mouth boss, but Lydia mouth boss wide open. Trust me, yeah. Yeah. Good night, baby. Back to my conversation. Yeah, back to my conversation when we did it in the make, yeah. Wanna get up every day? Yes, thank you so much, baby. Wanna get up every day and eat these the beautifulest people on the up. The ups. Wanna eat these people? I don't know why. No, sir. Me not tell a lie still. Because since you start to bash them and I go on with them thing, them just a prosper, go on with themselves, you know. I want to not tear me down and rip me down and fling me by one side. We don't know tongue, because I know the tongue not reach nowhere. Because every time I rise on the tongue against me, God just twist you up in the head. God just twist up on the tongue in the head. Me never, hey, me tell you this, you know. Remember, say me did tell you, you know. But tell you, say me is a backslider, me I try come close to God. And my little Sunday platform, you see me have, you think a little life safe on the little platform there. You think a little people if you commit suicide, hey, you lordy. You go and see that Sunday platform there work so till you not have a headache. Yeah. Right there, so right through. Them a go see chosen because every Sunday my platform get bigger and bigger. You no understand. Yeah. You know, if you see God at work. God that a show uno say for show no how God at work through one little backslider girl. So you can imagine when me fully book. But nobody feel like when me fully booking on them and then I work same way. You know? So if you not try nothing. Yeah. If you not try nothing. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I tell you. Oh. Yeah. Power top of life, people. Power top of life in our night, yeah. Hear the beautiful rain a going out the door there. Eh? Some of you have so much eat. Eh? You don't know when the rain a fall is such a blessing. Sometimes when a man they want their round because you know sick stomach. Sometimes the man them can't do no better. For the round no. But some of you sickets the man's stomach. Happy Thanksgiving to you, my darling. Happy Thanksgiving. Boss chick, big up yourself and I'm on tongues. Sometimes the man can't stand Zunus. It's the truth. Misha, big up yourself. Yeah. Cause you see, oh, missy. Oh, no can get up and bash people. Alright, look how my son cute and nice now. And look how no can bash him. Uno man yet to know. Can't bash them for nothing at all. Uno get up and bash people for nothing at all. Then suppose them did ugly. Suppose them did ugly. Chat, suppose them did ugly. Suppose a little slim one there with me name tattoo in his stomach. Suppose it did ugly. Chat. Me dear. God almighty, mister. That little one there with the honey tattoo in his stomach. Suppose him did ugly. Suppose him did ugly. But because him come out of one nice clean mother. Right now me know enough I wanna eat me. Because you never know said a nice girl I could have a nice son so. Now take a good look. Anybody who know Max? Anybody who know my little Max? My first son, everybody must know Max. Eh? Look how Max just simple, nice and cute. We never have to talk about all my daughter, she, you know. True. So you see, when you see the picnic them come out, go down and eat the mama. You eat the mothers. When you see the picnic them pass their education, you eat the mothers. If me say, bless me Steve. When the picnic them pass them common entrance, you eat the mother them because they come out with them 2-part cover. When the picnic them pass they CXC, you eat them because them come out with them part cover. You eat the mothers them. Uno hate the mother them because them son go buy all a car. Sometimes the little boy save all in little money. Sometimes the little boy have to make them a take it out time, paycheck a month time, just to drive one little car. I don't know what expensive car no. I don't hate the boy and his mother. Uno find uno sell something, the youth all wake up and see all him tire puncher. Uno heart wanna have against people pitney. Uno heart wanna have against people pitney. Uno too hateful. And God Almighty enough for uno when me say a bash people boy pitney and a bash people children them. I can't believe uno have children. I don't want to see no children them for come out good, but yet still, una kill on other people picnic. And when the people una no picnic no come out to not no good, una say people and depend them. Nobody and no depend them. And no mouth and no tongue. Wanna have pan people picnic turn round back and who wanna picnic them. Una too wicked. Una too wicked. But una remember say the people them picnic blessed from the womb. From my children, them in my belly, they are blessed. Lydia, big up yourself in a mama. Me just over here chat you. Big up yourself. You know, for understand, so the people them pity them want to see come good. They were blessed from the womb. And me have a praying mother from the day me get pregnant when I was 16-year-old. I got Charlie Smith High School. My son was blessed in my belly. Follow my daughter, follow my gifted child Akeem. And because he's gifted and come out of my out of my goods. On the 18.
The people, although me know with the dog mother, forward come like fighting battles them. So me have to say, is it me a real talk? She a talk. You know what I mean? Because my people, them people here we bad mind for the simplest thing, you know. What says yeah buy car for millions? Me I tell you go have peer people a bad mind you. You know what I mean? You have to try block them out, my people. Because the simplest thing them we bad mind you for. You understand me? Because you have people out there with them life sad, you know, my people. And sometimes you feel like say your life are the worst and the saddest. You see me? If your life sad and people still are trying to tear you down, what that's about that the person there? You understand me? Some people where you even do nothing. Because I'm sure say Akeem then can't do everybody when I like them something. You see it? So I just life and so it's set up my people. But as me I say, I don't feel like say the dog mother for getting whatever I go on online with him, cause the people them just go disrespect her. You see me? Cause them I know 5 times some look up in them too. And then I know manners
to be good. But my parents, remember me tell you, anybody wanna know on pregnant, on a family them pregnant, make sure so no picnic them blessed from the womb. Put on a phone on a belly, make them listen some gospel music, make them listen some Bible scriptures, pray, read Bible over on a belly, read a book, read these things. Sometimes when I listen too much mix up, that's how the people them come mix up.
We make my arthritis.
Yeah. Well, on, sister girl, well, let me tell you something. Me tell you say you're not going yard. Are you going yard?
Yeah.
Me tell you say you not get no wood. That mean you go get wood, darling. I say help you. Oh,
you don't know me good. You don't know if me get good or not.
Oh, you know, so
you don't know if me a got a man the other or not. You can't know my business.
Question.
You don't know what talking. Hello, release me and the boy mouth. Release me and the boy name out your mouth, no?
Me him name in my mouth.
You look suck every time. Me and the scream want to talk about Akeem. Every single time. You can't talk about somebody else.
No, stop. No, you
Every
talk
single
about.
time you can't talk about nobody else. Release him name out your mouth now.
Him name in my mouth.
It ain't name out. Release him name, man. Leg off 5 now.
No,
Him not see you.
Him name in my mouth.
Release him
darling.
name. Every time me look ask him at email, me no want to talk about Hakim tonight, Jayden. Sorry.
Rose, him name not the pan my
Me no
mouth
want to
right
talk
now.
about him tonight, sir. I eat my food. Me no want
Ah,
to
you
hear.
talk about Jakes. Jakes, they are foreign in St. Lucia, I enjoy himself. And the woman shape good.
Alright.
That's how it go.
Eh?
What does that have to do with we?
I can Rose, that say woman no look good.
Not a problem.
Man reject you.
Alright.
Diamond, stop. Don't laugh off your friend, man.
Jayden, you know say it's a mess. Why
Eh?
you know why Rose can't eat here, Jayden?
No, because Rose knows some love her.
I don't know why Rose not eat you.
Eh?
Jakes reject me and slime reject you. You over here talk about egg man one man that you pay all boy rent.
Huh?
All man rent I like me to pay like a fuck man. You know you want to go back to boy. Somebody argue with you?
You prefer tell him say man reject him too.
Yeah.
Can do all of the things them for man and
Yeah,
still
yeah.
get the man.
Yes, the lady.
You prefer tell him
There's a lady not stacking.
Alright, Rose, you win
a French
round two.
coffee.
You win.
Ask her for French coffee.
Ask her for my friend.
Rose, you win round two. You win round
Never
two.
lose. Never lose.
Eh?
I never lose.
So Diamond, you can't help her out there.
What?
You can't help her out there.
Help out my
We
friend.
want help out you. We want help out you. So when slime fuck you up on the bed, it stop blood up.
Other way around. Other way around, darling.
Y'all beg ass time to unblock you. To you desperate for man.
Me.
You. You.
See the same so the man up on the screen and the man jump up. Not the same thing we are go through.
To me?
Yeah.
You ever see my man will lie down there? But Jayden, relax, yeah.
Watch on. Nah, lie roast. Still in a roast, boy. The boy GX left Jamaica and go on different whisper upper. You know, make no sense in the left still,
No
darling.
time at all.
You see, I got to know what I hear about. You see, I got to know what I hear about. Yeah, man, me catch you, man.
Not because everybody knows a dirty place, Jake say with the dirty girl. You see, you know, blind. We don't want to talk about that. We want to talk about how much money you pay for slime rent and them light bill.
Me never pay the money. Me never pay. Me pay money, yes, but
Who blood up the bed?
who blow up the bed?
Well,
Them thing they never did fit chat, man. A joke, man.
I might be a teenager, you fuck, you know. I have pay them to not talk, you know.
Oh, Rose, I go too far now.
No, eh? I like the people them say.
Rose, you ever go too far?
I know far me go I chode.
No, you never go too far. You never go
I
too
people
far.
them say, the people them say you know want big woman kind of like spend money.
I like
The people them say,
that.
but me no want no mix up. Me like me
Rose, I can't. Rose, you can't say that. You can't say that.
And I mean so I want me here pan ya. And I mean so it's not me so when me come here score upon the FYP and see. It's not me so me know some boy yo. You want to miss some. Oh.
People, I do feel like Rosalie get the hood. Yeah, man, she get it a few times, but she want a real relationship lock in with the man. But I don't think him really want that. You see me I say? A big man thing, me feel like a circle. You know what I mean? Him get caught up with Rosalie in a way. Although him can really love her still, you know, people and want a relationship with her still, you know what I mean? Or this can be one next series, because don't you watch it? Yeah, we all watch it. You see me? So let me know what I think, make me watch some more.
So only can repeat things, Bobby, but I'm not repeat on Bono. Me know why you trace me.
Rose, the things.
You can listen. You can go far, but me never go far. Alright. Are your skin thinner? Are your one thinner?
I silver thin. Oh, silver skin thin. Who name Snow?
No.
Snow, your mate, you know.
My matey.
Yeah, since I want to go far, who go far?
Oh.
Since I want to go far, who go far now?
Okay.
Where you put Pretti for my name for? No, look
When I
up
say
for my
Akim, I
name.
tell him that. No tell me I am a friend, no.
No, look up Pretti for my name, bro.
I am a friend, no. When I see him, I tell him that. I am a friend, no, me a friend, no.
Rose.
I hope the screen card and him hear it. I hope the screen card and him hear it.
What
I know you can't bring me down, you know. But some know you can't bring me down, you know, go try bring down him.
Rose,
I tell him all along. But always tell him that you want to go. Come sit in a pussy hole, say you want to go there, you know. Because when them not supposed to do it. It's the way them not supposed to do it. You want to go there for a long time.
Look at Pretti for my name. What the fuck? No, you are Pretti for my name.
You don't have to talk about me. You don't have to talk about me, but him forget
every day, bro, joke me a joke.
I know the blood clot chat too,
my name, bro.
Move. Come off from a blood clot phone screen. Move. I run a joke couldn't go. Go suck your mother. Come on, say right there, you want blood clot. Go, you think you're slick. And talk about troll. Me don't know like my hand back. Not trust you know. It don't like poison. Only more while come over your blood clot rank. Me can't use it to make 2 little diamonds. If me there so I may rank, I may look 2 little diamonds. You pay too much on me. I trust your blood clot. Cause me know the devil and the snake you want blood clot be. Cause me know say with the boy the you personally bad mind. Because you tell us that you should have blood clot there. Oh, I know me never rank yet. Come see it. Where him there? Where him blood clot there? You should have blood clot there. Yo, that I tell you blood clot self. Me no want a bad mind, no blood clot. We no want a friend him, and chat to him kind of hype. Yeah. Want to know one message? Message to the people them. What always I see me in a scheme. And a video me from back way. What wrong with you know? Eh? Message to the people that will always see me in a scheme. And a video me from back way. When you see me a video me from back, what do you do? The world know my back brother already. Wanna feel like someone can't enter the chat? When you can't enter the chat. A broad black and cute face away for the Christmas. Cause someone wanna look a face, look a back girl, the man I want to know. Me say I want stinking boy will drive taxi. See me on the people blood clot betting shop. And video me. But just wait till my blood clot see me now. I'm gonna say, it's like you like a man. We don't go video your girl thinking, oh, where you see me? Me not like on video me. Me can't sue you for cyberbullying. I don't have $1 to give me. Don't video me put on your page, brother. Me not want you for fuck. Cause after somebody who have blood clot, look, me not look no man. Me not have $1 give you, boy. Now follow me up. Oh. Me not have $1 give you blood clot, boy. Me not look no man. I'm on the when every day I put my tick on the girl, I'm going to go class, big back arm. Them know. Everybody blood clot knows my back big already. I never secret. You got like one secret where me I hide from. You think the way you kick like people over there? Them boring. Me say I want nasty one to come on me yard. Me say I want nasty one my big phone gay. Oliver Marley. One nasty one my big phone gay. Him beg me my money. Him just him come and him beg a class me last night. And me say you want me give my friend of them, you know? I say my friend of the people. My friend of the people, you know? Chart, it's for 2025. 2020 me don't want. That's the announcement. No, I don't want no more broke friend. I'm too bad mind and jealous. I don't want no more broke friend. I'm too bad mind and jealous. I don't want no more broke friend. Because broke is a disease. I'm bad mind and jealous. You come a beg phone gear. Come on, I beg phone gear. When I buy food, I buy a weed, I buy a this one. And you class me. You click here, me put up on my live and say, people follow the page. What you want me do? Put up on my live and get breast blood clot milk for suck. Anyone me up on TikTok, me work hard for it. Me not just come here. One big highlight that just take me so long time there, you me work hard for it. But don't want no more broke friend because them very ungrateful. I can't give them. It's not good enough. I bother watch money. And kill them dead and you get the world you so. Can't even enter the rank with the 4,000 girl. You know that 3 hours more for that, another 10 more hours for blood clot though. You don't want to come up with us soon and go on the money so. You stick a work. I work feet ya so. You just want to come and feel like you want to come. You don't just get money so. You don't work so ya so. You work hard. But I want me done blood class long enough for 5 hours, 6 hours me do. But 12 to 12. You know work so. So I want to see me on the road and video from back and things I want to put on the page. And people are like, you know, go get the more likes and views. When you click on the like, nobody now go pussy clot there. So I'm not tell you to stop continue. Come on, I say it work. Focus your chat. Kill some of them dead when them see me on the road and video me from the back and put it on them page and you get all the likes and views and all the chattings. When you click like all the people go over there, it don't work so. You have to sit down and burn your bumble hole pan put in your work. Every time my body drain, I'm still coming out. My body literally drain. Take me a hand. You feel me not feelings? You see me come here. And sit down here, think me don't want a break? You think me don't want a break? Once you are ready.
Hey, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. I'm more to say this. You see me, I say, Rosalie stay too long in other place here. I know where she there now, my people. Her time expire long time in the ghetto community there, you know. It's like say she don't know, you know what I mean? And it's like she want to feel before she realize she outgrow the community. She want to stay in there and lack money and have money pile up and don't want to pay expense for a better life. You see me I say? She want to stay in the same place where when she did broke and hungry, alright, that's what she did there. So the people they mostly know her if she broke and hungry and have nothing. Seeing her struggle. Right? Now that she reach a different level in her life, them now go accept her. You see me I say? Them a go and tear her down or come try beg out what she have. She outgrow the community, and if she not realize that, me I telling them me people, I get to that it cannot end well no matter who you have connection with. You see me I say? So let me know what you think.
You think me don't want a break? Yesterday me there, yesterday me went to the camera to my body drain your fuck. I feel like my energy level upon low, but watch low. You know what I do? That's what I drink the McDonald's so. Cause my body drain and my frost, it will keep me up. They will sit down and chat for you 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I think it's easy. When I look at it, not easy right now there so. Come on, I don't want to feel like. I'm too bad mind and just not easy right now there so. When I feel like some people just come on and never shoot so. But see ya. What I want a comfortable mindset, that's how it work over here. I'm not go and try, I never have my mouth to someone. You know what people that on social media all long and now I can't make it. 1, somebody in my life and 2 and 3. Focus your chat, come and I beat up my gum. No, I ain't gonna enter the ranks yet. The body man just restart. You thank you. Have you try enter the ranks so I look too. I look one post, I want to Insta when I see it, I know when I enter it. I have a blood clot break from my work, I do holiday. Mother to block suck cocky coolie. You should go so make a type. It no work so. I saw somebody to get work, but I'm not going to that cause when them come here, they will find out it no work so. Whether or not they don't do blood clot, my fans them want to see me. Me not have no break a blood clot, but me not there prison. Now drill house. Me come. My body feel ugly. I grab a Zuka and chill with it. I go all a blood clot, double a Red Bull. I don't want to spa. I come sit down and chat to my people and look too kind. Any month I get me satisfied with it. It's not easy something I saw. But the 12 to 12, I do all 7-8 hours. You have to sit down and blood clot, put in hours like a work clock in. For days. I don't come when I'm hungry and I look something and see if you have 2 months, you know. Unless I want to know, so consistent is the key in everything we are doing in life. I don't come when I'm hungry, you know. No, I come when I'm hungry. But I don't come when I'm hungry. I look too kind. Class, somebody get one. Class, when I hot topic, I look too kind. Come here. Beg. Class, a person beg. And you're missing. For you 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month. When I put your palm full, when I palm empty, you come back now for class with the same person. But that means so all glue man should do over here with me. Every time her palm empty, she come and class me. And when her palm full, she gone. That's why I stop following them on social media. I not give them no attention, no attraction. When them don't talk about me and them I go down back and forth. All glue man. Chat me look too like gold when they enter the rank, say chat come. I try to post load tonight. Want to enter the ranks and start one story. How would that?
Me and my wife I thought you can't stay as now. Me and my wife I thought I tell you say you cannot stay as right now.
How long time you fuck big body CC? Did I tell you? They will never know that.
See, top them sitting there, Akeem, wife, because we don't want to remember, so she a police, and we can't afford.
No, me not bring her down, you know, but I just show her from the not trouble, she not trouble.
But it's not the truth, Rose.
That's not the truth, Rose.
That's not the truth.
You're aggressive, do it with it.
Because it's not the truth.
It's an aggression for me. Alright, love. I don't want to upset you tonight, you know. And I'm not coming for you, you know, darling. My apology, it's not the truth. Tramali, can you let me something? Me so about Tramali something. Tramali today I can't see me
Is against me.
So Jay, what if fake man and Rose have?
Huh?
What if fake man and Rose have?
No, Hakeem.
You're there.
I'm one the boy here when I say all these things. I don't put in your corner.
Put me in which corner?
Me I got told.
What do you mean, put me in which corner? Which boy can you put me in the corner? Where you talk about? That's cool, man.
Oh, you know it's a Rose man fake, Jayden.
No, me not saying fake. Me not saying fake. Me not saying fake. But she don't want. What you know? Me not talk about that. But everyone know me now. She don't want. You don't want him. But anyways, Toto. What we do, your Toto?
What you mean?
Now me put boy in the corner and bend them up, you know. You see, so me don't know where Rose at all.
Look here now.
What?
Bobby, do want you? Bobby, do want you?
You get boom do.
That is not the case.
So
Bobby,
I
do
Rose
want
again,
you?
buddy. What you know about?
It looks so.
Jayden, what you know about?
Rose. Where's the diamond? Where's the?
Oh, you know it's a Rose that get body.
So diamond, you did there when she get body?
Every time I pour away, I was in one room. What we have that about?
So I for some go on.
All the time, what a problem?
Diamond, that's how I would have been thinking of. Allah yate. Diamond.
Jayden, put for aside now.
Diamond, use a private.
Listen, to leave that. That's like say, you know something about Rose. That me ask you.
No, me no know about.
Oh, you talk about Rose man fake. Oh, you know if Rose don't get cocky. What you know about we?
Rose not get no wood.
So me get wood.
Yeah.
Ah.
So Diamond, what do you do? After that, what do you do?
So something the Rose.
So that's the truth. No,
So something the Rose.
no man, he more have to say through my shit, but the boy now fuck me.
Rose, you have to stop this. Rose, you have to stop this.
You need a baby. At
Yeah.
2026 now, you need a youth.
As a man.
You need to take your look, you need to take your look of fine foot them and you look a cocky and go look at youth with it. And
Jelly
I
between me and
all.
you.
It's my all. It's my all. My fuck and breed out tight. Them a time, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uno, dos, cuatro, 4.
Uno, dos, cuatro, 4?
Yeah.
So where do
Four
that's
times breed out of my all.
So where do that's where rest of two?
No worry about that.
Like you know me rest of two then, man.
Remember, more water can be the when I play suck your suck pussy.
Chat, let me tell you something. Chat, I'm telling you something, chat. Let me tell you something.
You don't know nothing about me and blood clot, man.
You not get no wood.
I say
Yeah, what?
What you say, Jayden? Because somebody tell me say you don't know your woman lot address. What's your problem?
What?
Them say I have one girl I fuck you don't know the woman lot. The lot. You like you don't know the address.
Me don't need to know the address. Me just need to know something would have go in our hole. Toto, what me do you, Toto? What me do you?
You're there. Toto, you know something about you? Toto, now look.
Toto, why you always bring me down?
You're there.
Toto!
You know Toto for some Jayden?
Jayden, they on the screen with 2 female. Penetrate them.
Yeah.
It two of them.
Give me a break.
It two of them.
Yeah, man,
Let me tell you. Toto, let me tell you something. One have real man and one have fake man. You see it, and she not look my
Who
way.
was the fake man? Who was the fake man?
Rosalie, and she not look my way. I mean, I look your way neither. I just ask her, what me do you?
I was a blood. Then what is this family, though, Father God? What have I done?
what the fake man on me have?
What have I done?
What
have I done to the dead that the living is against me?
So Jayden, what the fake man
have?
and Rose have?
Eh?
What the fake man and Rose have?
No, Hakeem.
You're there.
I'm one the boy here when I say all these things. I don't put in a corner.
Put me in which corner?
Me I got troll.
What do you mean, put me in which corner? Which boy can you put me in a corner? Where you talk about? That's cool, man.
Oh, you know it's a Rose man fake, Jayden.
No, me not saying fake. Me not saying fake. Me not saying fake. But she don't want. What you know? Me not talk about that. But everyone know me now. She don't want. You don't want him. But anyways, Toto, what we do, you, Toto?
What you mean?
Now me put boy in a corner and bend them up, you know. You see it. So me don't know where Rose talk about.
Look here now.
Bobby, do I you?
Eh?
Bobby, do I you?
You get pum do.
That is not the case.
So
Man,
when you
do I
Rose
you?
against body, what you know about?
It looks so.
Jayden, what you know about?
Rose. Where's the diamond? Where's the?
Oh, you know it's a Rose don't get body.
So diamond, you did it when she get body?
Every time I four we are in one room, what we are talking about?
So I force some go on.
All the time, what we a problem?
Diamond, that's how I hold up the thing, you know. I lie out there. Diamond.
Jayden, put for aside now.
Diamond, use a private.
Listen, don't leave that. That talk like say, you know something about Rose. That me ask you.
No, me don't know nothing about
Oh, you talk about Rose man fake. Oh, you know if Rose don't get cocky. What you know about we?
Rose not get no wood.
So me get wood.
Yeah. So Diamond, what do you do? After that, what do you do?
So something the Rose.
So that's the truth. No,
So something the Rose.
no man, he more have to say through my shit, but the boy now fuck me.
Rose, you have to stop this. Rose, you have to stop this.
You need a baby. At
Yeah.
2026 now, you need a youth.
As a man.
You need to take your look, you need to take your look of fine foot them and you look a cocky and go look at youth with it and I worry about me and my old. It's my old. It's my old. My fuck and breed out tight. Them a time, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 4.
1, 2, 4, 4?
Yeah.
So where do
That's
that's
where I do my old.
So where do that's where rest at two?
No worry about that.
Like you know me rest at two then, man.
My mouth water can't be the when I play suck pussy.
Chat, let me tell you something. Chat, chat, I'm telling you something, chat. Let me tell you something.
You don't know nothing about me and blood clot, man.
You know I get no.
I say this, oh, you know, guy me, I didn't know me hard gate. I'm a business one, you can't know my business. You can't use a mind game for me.
You said the woman now got the man.
You can't use a mind game for me to me tell you nothing. You always a tried it. You can't use it. But me grow over that long time.
Rose,
Him not fuck me shit by the hand. All right, rest me now. Lady, rest me now, lady. Him not fuck me hard.
Hold on, sister girl. Hold on.
Sister girl, you win. Sister girl, you win. Make me try.
Hold on, talk.
Yeah.
Hold on, sister girl. Hold on, let me tell you something. Me tell you say you're not going yard. And you're going yard.
Yeah.
Me tell you say you're not get no wood. That mean you're going to get wood, darling. And sister help you.
You don't know me good. You don't know if me get good or not.
Oh, you know,
You don't know if me a got man yard or not. You can't know my business. You don't know what talking. Hello, release me and the boy mouth. Release me and the boy name out your mouth now.
Him name in my mouth.
You look suck every time. Me and the scream I want to talk about Hakeem. Every single time. You can't talk about somebody else.
No, stop. No, you're talking
Every single time you can't talk about nobody else. Release him name out your mouth now.
Him name in my mouth.
Yeah, name out. Release him name, man. Let go of 5 now.
No,
him not see you.
Him name in my mouth.
Release him every time. Me and the power scream at him. Me don't want to talk about Hakeem tonight, Jayden. Sorry.
Rose, him name not upon my
Me
mouth
don't want
right
to talk
now.
about him tonight, sir. I'm white my food. Me don't want to
Don't talk about. We talk about Jakes. Jakes, they are foreign in St. Lucia. I enjoy himself.
Yeah.
And the woman shape good.
I saw it go.
What does that have to do with me?
I can't Rose, that say woman no look good.
Not a problem.
Man reject you.
All right.
Diamond, stop. Don't laugh off your friend, man.
Jayden, you know, say it's a mess. Why Rose can't just eat here, Jayden?
No, because Rose knows some love her.
I don't know why Rose not eat you.
Jakes reject me and slime reject you. You over here talk about Eggman one man like you pay all boy rent. All man rent I like me to pay like a fuck man. You know you want to go back to the boy. Somebody argue with you.
You prefer tell him say man reject him too.
Yeah.
Can do all of the things them for man and sin to get the man.
Yes, the lady.
You prefer tell him.
That's a lady not stacking.
All right, Rose, you win round two. You win that.
Ask her for French coffee.
Ask her for my friend.
Rose, you win round two. You win round two.
Never lose. Never lose. I never lose.
So Diamond, you can't help her out there.
What?
You can't help her out there.
Everyone.
My people, tell me what you think in the comment section, because you see, if you're a person in our vibes, don't bring a next person in it. You know what I mean? Because them not have nothing to do with it. You see me? So tell me what you think about the Lion Man I bring Hakeem in a female Rosalie or whatever with them have. You see me? And some of the time people may tell you say me don't know what truth or what prank or what. You see me? So me just take everything as entertainment until them show it up say boy a real thing. You know what I mean? So me know what to think my people. Make a watch some more.
Help out my friend.
We want help out you. So when slime fuck up on the bed, it stop blood up.
Other way around. Other way around, darling.
Y'all a beg our slime to unblock you to you're desperate for man.
Me.
You.
So the same so the man up on the screen and the man jump off. Now the same thing we are go through.
Oh me?
Yeah.
You must see my man will lie down. But Jayden, relax, yeah.
Watch out now. Nah, lie roast. Nah, lie roast. Still in a roast, but the boy GX left Jamaica and got one different whisper upper. You know, make no sense in the left still, darling.
No time at all.
You see, I got to know what you about. I got to know what you about. You see, oh no, I got to know what you about. Yeah, man, me catch you no, man. Me catch you no.
Not talking about everybody knows a dirty place jokes there with the dirty girl. You see, we not blind. We don't want to talk about that. We want to talk about how much money you pay for slime rent and him light bill.
Me never pay the money. Me never pay. Me pay money, yes, but
Who blood up the bed?
who blew up the bed?
Well,
Them thing they never did fi chat, man. A joke, man. A joke.
there might be.
I gonna, bro, stop with them thing there, bro. Every time I run joke with you, you ever do them thing there.
Alright, nobody cause just Leffy. Just Leffy Jayden. Alright, done. But I go too far, just Leffy this so. Leffy Jayden. Leffy. Yeah? Alright, don't just Leffy this so. But I make you get out of proportion. Just Leffy right this so. And just go and build.
We can't run, bro. Come on, now, bro. I'm tuna dog. I'm tuna, bro.
Alright, Jayden, done. Nobody go to make it on. Nobody ash up yourself. Just Leffy and bone half of this so car. Nobody make you get out of and Leffy this so, my boy. Just done it, done. No done. Done ya know. Yeah. And about when the scream, come on, by the scream, go cost just done. Leffy. Yeah? You can't listen to me one time.
Yeah, man. Me a hear, man, die, man. Me a
Just
hear.
Leffy, man. Just Leffy. No make it go out of proportion. No, just rest with this one. Done. Because I will away at Paris. So just Leffy, you know? Just Leffy, my boy. Hey, nobody no come in my chat, nothing. I will block all of you. I don't ramp in my chat. Leave it alone and fuck you. Let me turn off this. Don't do that. Hey, don't do that. I'm not ramp in my chat. No, don't do that. Don't fuck on yourself. Don't, let me go in the comment section. Don't do that. My comment, me not ramp in my comment section. Here? No, don't do that. Just left with Jayden, because I know what we have one. So just rest it right this so. And just done. And about me come on this screen, I go cuss you know.
Bro, I see I put the, I see I, bro.
Oh, so it just left, just done.
Yo, John on you.
No matter make this a go out of proportion and go far, and we don't need it to go there, so just leave it. Left it there so make it go no further. I will have a party. Just left it there so, and we don't want to go no further, Jayden. And when you come over the screen about that, me know your head turn, you know. We just start cause just leave it. Listen for once. No make we go there so, because all we just come back together and all we live as one. So just nobody go there so. You understand? No, left him, man. Nobody go there so, just left him. Because all we this a team up back and we don't want the problem, and this the people them want Jayden. The people them want this year, you know, because them just sit down and wait for this year. And wait for you to say rape, to say you this and that, so just left him. Make we go there so. All we are one party. We not go there so. We not give nobody no winnings. And nobody be sit down and feel like say alright then Ray. But we just left it.
I keep not this, man. The dog never this, man. Me diss him, or me diss him. Or me diss him. Who for name I call? Who for name I call? if remember, you know, you see for once, let me tell you something. You see, if Rose go continue growing on these people, bro, the dog, I will get this. If Rosalie continue growing and I call it, and I do them thing there, the dog, I will get this. Cause imagine me and her over there chat, and she a call Fabi name. She can't this one, but she can't take it back. That's a things, though. You're mad. And that's how things go, darling. If I want this, I can't take it back. Mad. And that's how this work. Yeah, this me, I get back this. Simple as that. You want defend it, defend it. Send anybody you want.
Good night. Wash me here, Jayden. You look think same way?
Huh?
You look think same way, wash it.
My people, I want to tell me what you think in the comment section, because all I was going a while ago, never really necessary. You see me I say, and you say if a person tell you a hot word, you go and tell them a hot word. You see me I say, and if you can't find nothing to tell them about themselves, you go tell them something about somebody around them. You understand? Some people here, she bother always I say, yo, Akeem feel love out Rosalie company, because Rosalie, you know what I mean, I go be like downfall, whatever. You see me I say, Rosalie no have no control over what the lion man say out her mouth still. You see me, so you can't really put the blame on Rosalie, but at the end of the day, Akeem is an extension of Rosalie. You see me I say, so right there, so if them can't catch Quaco, them catch the shot. You see me, so the lion man couldn't find nothing to rally back with to say about Rosalie, so him end up say something, and what him say, it was vague still, in my people, cause if him forget in a trouble legally for what him say, you know, him can't get in no trouble, you know, because at the end of the day, him never call no name, he was not specific. You see me, and up to this day, we don't know if Rosalie and Akeem together, but we in the street, we are gonna say, yo, Akeem him attack. You understand me I say? But legally, him could get in no trouble for what him say. Him speak in general. It could be anybody. You see me I say? It could be even a side man or Rosalie attack to. You see me? So tell me what you think with people and make you watch some more.
After she no more down me. She no more down me.
I want you know. I want you, Jayden.
What make?
Cause I did a tell me say my pretty and a flirt with me, and me did feel special. Until since night, I wake up and see Big C the pan here, you tell her all I things them. So, me not nobody like you again. Yeah, go back to your ex. And the people them a say she drunk.
We know. You're too happy for cuss me. You know how long me have I don't know? We know already, bro. Our sis. Sis, we know, sis. We know. We know you're dying to put on a dress. You see yesterday, you just want to chew up, you come out with your ear catch up in a toe. Yeah, take time. You don't know if what happened in England soon bust out on the internet. Yeah, take time and get we comfortable. Last night you come out with the ear bubbles up in a toe. Bitch, we know, sis. Candy them type of Batman and Roger them type of Batman is not the same thing. Roger, Candy them brawling, they tell you who them is. Me operate every batty boy will admit say, yo, listen, either me a transgender or me gay. Me not like them closet bumbleclot batty boy, yeah. Me have to respect in people them who know who the fuck they are and don't care. I don't respect a motherfucking punk like him. When you come take out your blood clot shit them pan people, cause you want have your legal freedom with boy you fuck you. And you want come take it out pan girl. I see when you take it out pan Kavi, now you want take it out pan blood clot me. Every time you see a nice bumble clot girl, cause you want be a pretty girl. You want take it out pan a pretty blood clot girl. Roger, you're ugly in a blood clot. Cause they catch up your ear. You know, so them put you in the jeans dress and it fit you. You know, so they put on the woman clothes by you and it fit you. Me da never fuck a boy with carry a handbag. Me da never fuck a boy when bag bigger than mine. And your bag bigger than every blood clot girl over yourself. Your swag them not make no sense. Every time you dress up, you give body boy, body boy. Let me play a song for you. Thinking you can come for me. Me see Ivany a blood clot par. Ivany couldn't settle it no more upon her bumble clot chest. Ivany a call your batty boy and a yanara par. What make you never cuss Vany when Vany tell you brawl into your face say, you're batty blood clot boy. No shit in a plate, batty boy can come in and no argument with me. And you can't send nobody for me pussy. You see like you can't threaten them and talk about gunman. You can't bring no gunman argument to me, Roger. Go suck your mother. You brighty. You think me I wanna blood clot them? Me hear you over there say be a bad man, my fuck. Know that. Or no for know blood clot that. And I ask you, me no fuck blood clot dibs. Me no fuck no boy who can't defend me. Oh? So anytime one I wanna ready for feel like say, you say you love bring badness to people, you can't bring no blood clot badness to me. Oh? Me I no wanna blood clot them. You fucking brighty. Name. I'm gonna eat this. Rajesh and a blood clot. Lady blood clot gaga. Can an argument with blood clot me? Now come go like so no bad over this and I want come in an argument with blood clot girl like me did trouble you. Me did blood clot trouble you. I no go dig up my file. Me done fuck out already. I'ma tell you whole world. Me done mind man already. I'ma tell you whole blood clot world. Me done fuck who me for fuck and do me deep throat. Cause of my blood clot pussy and of my mouth. Remember me never either fuck. Remember me no say like you know. But no batty man never fuck me yet or no sodomite. Go suck your mother Raja. You think you can come by me?